Hello super learners, welcome back again to GEC English channel, and in this video we'll be learning present continuous. In this lesson we'll be learning when we use the present continuous, how we make sentences in the present continuous, and we'll be learning spelling change with the verb in form. Now let's start by learning when do we use present continuous. The function of the present continuous. Before we discuss about the function, look at this conversation. Hello, what are you doing? Where is Jane? She's cooking dinner in the kitchen. I'm doing my homework. Are you doing your homework? No, I'm not. I'm not studying. I'm watching TV. So from this conversation, are the boy and girl describing actions in the present or past? They are describing actions in the present. The boy says, I'm doing my homework. Is he talking about a habit or an action happening now? He's talking about an action happening now. I'm doing my homework. Now fill in the table with the actions happening now for each person. You may pause the video and we'll be back soon. So here the girl says, I'm watching TV, and the boy, I'm doing my homework, and Jane, she's cooking dinner. So we use the present continuous to describe actions happening now or happening in this moment. As you see here, she's cooking dinner in the kitchen, I'm doing my homework, and I'm watching TV. We do not use the present continuous with the verbs that do not describe actions. For example, the verbs that describe feelings, emotions, or descriptions. For example, I really want an ice cream right now. This feeling is in this moment, but it's not an action. Now let's learn how we make sentences using present continuous. From this conversation just now, we can see there is a positive sentence, negative sentence, and also there is question. Now look at again the conversation and complete the table. The first one is done for you. You may pause the video and we'll be back soon. So we have positive sentence and negative, and we have question, and we have short answer, yes, no questions. So here we have positive sentence. She's cooking dinner. Negative, I'm not studying. And question, what are you doing? Or are you doing your homework? And short answer, no, I'm not. So here the present continuous always has the verb to be plus verb in. Remember that there are two types of questions, open and closed questions. Open questions need a question word, and we use short answer with the closed questions, yes, no questions. Now let's learn how to spell verb in form. Now think about spelling change with the verb in form. The spelling of the in form of the verb can change depending on the stem of the verb. The stem is the part of the verb you find in the dictionary. For example, like swimming, the stem is swim. Here are some examples. Dance, dancing. Eat, eating. Hit, hitting. And notice how there are small change in the spelling. Now here, most of the verbs end in ing. For example, eat, eating, and verbs end in e. You need to remove e and add ing. For example, dance and dancing. The e has been removed here, so dance becomes dancing. Verbs ending in ie, you need to change ie to y. For example, lie, lying. So the ie is now y, then add ing. Verbs ending in one vowel and then one consonant, you need to double the final consonant. For example, here is swim, swimming. The verbs ending in y, vowel, and then one consonant, you need to double the final consonant, like swim, swimming. Now let's practice. Complete the sentence in the present continuous form. Now you may pause the video and we'll be back soon to discuss it together. Okay, now let's see question number 1. What will eat? Trudy eat. It looks delicious. So here, what is Trudy eating? It looks delicious. Sophie and Leonard are driving that expensive car. Look, I am not working at the moment. Are you watching TV? I can hear strange sound. It is a beautiful day. The birds singing. The birds are singing in the garden. My daughter is not sleeping. She's swimming in the lake. Okay, super learner, thank you for watching. If you think this video is useful, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you and take care. Bye for now.